Pop culture had a good run, but the infection spread. Meet Rob Sacchetto, the man infecting pop culture, one zombie at a time. No one's safe.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Rob's Zombie Art-pocalypse. Yes, it's true. It's right here on the screen. I'm watching it. It's awesome. If you're new to the show, this is the show where we take your suggestions from the channel. And once you've subscribed, you're free to make a suggestion for me to zombify for the channel and for Zombie Daily, the place where you can go for your daily dose of the undead, as I always say. It's awesome. I am the most prolific zombie artist on planet Earth, and that's where all the zombie art goes. First, starting mostly here in Rob's Zombie Art-pocalypse, we're going way back.
Western Electric Model 500 telephone.
I actually forgot what these things were called. Today we're going to be doing, what the hell is that? It's a rotary phone, y'all. It's a rotary phone. Let's do it, guys. Let's do it. This is going to be a fun one. Join me, won't you? Apocalypse. If you hadn't heard the news, I post new zombie art on my Patreon page every single day, and I've been doing that since 2008. So I've got a lot of zombie art on there for you to check out. If you like the kind of style that I do. There's like a million pieces of art on there to check out for you. Coming from here, which is really a fan-powered endeavor that we started recently, where if you subscribe to the channel, you get immediate. You can get an immediate request done. Not immediately, but you could request a character right away that you'd like to have, you'd like to see me zombify. Either, just a post on Zombie Daily and or one of these episodes. So yeah. So subscribe, man. Subscribe. The perk's right there waiting for you. It's right there. Take it. Yeah, so it's a great, it's a kind of a great deal, man. And then if you want to buy it after, you can too. If you want to purchase it like outright, you actually have the original. You can do that as well too. But all right, here we have the big reveal of the rotary telephone zombified. Pick it up.